Okay, yes. Good evening to you. And today I hope to follow up the last part of our paper discussion. There we discussed this kind of questions. Question number 16, 17, 18, and 19. Hope to discover this all of them. Okay. Okay, first of all, take some time and can you try to answer the question number 16? Okay. I give you 2 or 3 minutes. After that one, we will discuss the question number 16. Okay. Okay, please try to get that one. Yes. Question number 16. The given question as something different one. Okay, yes. Compare with previous question, this question may be little bit harder. Yes, maybe little bit harder. They given as the concentration C in milligrams that certain antibiotic that patient blood stream is given by this equation. Where the T is a time in hours. T is given as a time in hours. Taking the antibiotic. What is the concentration of 4 hours after taking antibiotic? In order to antibiotic to effective, 4 or more milligrams must be present in the bloodstream. When you have to take the antibiotic again, solve using algebra and solve graphically. Okay, and after how many hours? Maximum amount of antibiotic in the patient blood stream. After how many hours will there are no more antibiotic in the patient blood stream? Yes, that are the question. So I will move for this trail. Now thinking how to write it this kind of question. Okay, now thinking how to go for this kind of questions and what are they asking? Okay, they are asking graphically answer. You had four of that one. So you have to think how to solve that one. Okay, so the first one, they given the equation like here. Okay, they are given the equation. CT is what? You have to start it from that one. That given equation is what? C that T equal 50 T over T square plus 25. So 4 hours, if you take in 4 hours, the best part, if you consider 4 hours, t equal for what? 4. Now, it should be C4 now. C4 equal for 50 times 4 over 4 squared plus 25. So 100 over 4 squared, 16 plus 25. So 100 over 41. 100 over 41, nearly it become here 15 before 200, sorry. 200 over 41. It's nearly something 4.878 milligrams. Yeah. It should be like that. Yes. And second one, when to take antibiotic again. If you're thinking about if you wanted to get antibiotic again, the second one, that CT should be what? CT should be more than or equal for 4. Because here, because this one. We solve CT already have 4. So it should be more than or equal for 4. Otherwise, it can be equal for 4. If you consider second one, you can take CT as 4. So CT is what? 50T over T squared plus 25 equal for 4. Now simplify. You can take this divide one goes to other side, it become multiplication. 50T equal 4 times T squared plus 25. Now multiply 50T equal 40 squared plus 100. Now if you wanted, you can what? 50 minus T minus 50T both side. So remaining what? 40 squared plus 100 minus 50T. Here plus and minus can be cancelled, remaining 0. Now you have to simplify this one. If you want, you can divide all of them into 2. If you divide by 2, it's 2T squared. Here minus 50T minus 25T plus 50 equal for 0. Now you can simplify using the equation. Okay, you can simplify equation. A equal for what? 2. B equal for negative 25. And C equal for 50. You see this one? What is the equation? Did you remember? X equal for, otherwise T equal for minus B plus or minus B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Use this equation. Okay. Use this equation and simplify. Yes. Try to simplify using this equation. Now substitute value. Now you can simplify. T equal negative B. T equal negative, negative. Negative B is negative 25. Plus or minus B squared. Negative 25 squared. Minus 4 times A is 2. C is 50. For AC over 2 times A is what? 2. Now simplify T equal negative into negative positive 25 plus or minus 25 squared is what? 25 square 125. 4 into 50 200. 200 into 2 400 minus 400 over 4. So T equal 25 plus or minus here 225 over 4. 225 square root is good answer there. 50. 25 plus or minus 15 over 4. So you can consider plus answer for one and minus answer for other. If you consider plus answer, plus value, plus value. So T equal for 25 plus 15 over 4. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 over 4 is what? 10. Uh, it's 10 hours. If you consider minus value, when you consider minus value, T equal 25 minus 15 over 4. 25 minus 50, 10. 10 over 4 is what? 2.5 hours. Okay, these are the answers. One is 2.5 hour, other one is 10 hours. Okay, you can consider like that. There are two answers. Yes. You can consider ABC values like this. Okay. That ABC value should be like that. And we'll move for the third part. Here the first two parts. One, two, and we'll move for the third one. If we move for the third part, what are they asking in the third part? So, time of the maximum concentration. Maximum concentration. So, when you find the maximum, you have to take what? C dash. That differentiation of that part. Differentiation, if they are having division, you can write down one first and upper one derivative. So it's t squared plus 25 minus down one and upper one derivative minus and upper one 50t and down one derivative t squared 2t over down one squared t squared plus 25 squared. Here should be the differentiation. Now, if it is what maximum, when maximum c dash t should be equal for 0. So you can equal for this one 0. When you are equal to 0, this one becomes 0 other side. So remaining only 50t squared plus 25 minus 50t 2t equal for 0. Now simplify. What is that? You have to simplify this one. So what can you write? Here 50t squared. Here 50 into 25. 50 into 25 is 1250. Here minus 100t squared equal for 0. Plus and minus, it's minus 1250 minus 50 t squared equal for 0. Now, if you want, you can what subtract at both side. Here minus 50, no, you can take plus 50 t squared both side. Plus 50 t squared. When you are putting plus 50 t squared, you can cancel these two. So 1250 equal for plus 50 t squared. 1250 equal for plus 50 t squared. You can divide both side by 50. 50 50 cancel 0 0. 1025 t squared equal for 25. Both side is square root. Square and square root cancel t equal for 5. So final answer that t equal for 5. 5 hours. Okay. T equal for 5 hours. That final value t equal for 5 hours. 5. You can pause and check the answer. Okay. Here the last part is. And what is the D part? You have to think it. Fourth part. So when do more antibiotics? When CT equal for 0, T should be equal for infinity, but never reach to 0 mathematically. It's never reached to 0 mathematically. So it's realistically drug is what concerned gone after it falls but below detection. So mathematically never 0. So maybe they mean what that negligible for often problems say what practically 0 after very large t times. So it is 0 strictly low finite answer. So possibly question is trick. No finite. So actually there are not having what? Exactly 0. So it's never getting exactly 0, no? Never get exact 0. Exactly 0. So it may be like that. You can get an answer. Okay. It's never getting the exact value 0. Yes. You can answer it. Yes. Can you try 17th question also? I'll share it for you. Please try. I give 5 minutes of time. Yes, try it. We'll see the question they're asking at the beginning of at the beginning of 2000 years that koalas on island was 2400. The numbers steadily increase each year according to NT equal 2400 plus 250T, where T is the number of years since 2000. The population of the kangaroos on the same island is given by KT, this equation. What was the kangaroo population at the beginning? How many kangaroos were in the island beginning 2005? How many koalas were island beginning 2005? How many years will be kangaroo population fall below 100? When will the number of koalas exceed the number of kangaroos? When will the number of koalas exceed the number of kangaroos? Okay, they are asking this kind of question. So they given kangaroo and koala equation, something different one. They given kangaroos is like this, koalas is like this. Okay, so we will go for the questions. The population of kangaroos. It's given like kangaroos and koalas. Koalas given NT equal 2400 plus 250T. The koalas is given by the time it's 3200 0.85 into T. Okay, that the two equations. Now kangaroo population at beginning of 2000, it's T equal for 0. So in the beginning that T equal for 0 for the kangaroo population. So it's K 0 you have to consider. So 3200 into always 0.85 into 0. 0 powers always equal for 1. So 3200 into 1. So it's 3200. In the beginning, they are having 3200. Now, kangaroos beginning of 2005. After 2005, how many years? From 2000 to 2005, there are 5. It's decreasing now. Now it's decreasing. Kangaroo population is decreasing. After 5 years, you have to consider K5. Here, T equal for 5. So, it's 2200 into 0.85 into 5. You have to consider T as 5. So, what should be there? You can find, if you want, you can find with the calculator. 3300 into 0.85 into 5. It's something 0.85 into 5. What is answer? It's 0.443705, something like 443,705. Okay. However, you can multiply. When you multiply its answer, it's become 1419.859 like that. So nearly 1420 kangaroos. There are 1420 kangaroos there. And when you consider koalas in at the beginning 2005, the C part, ABC, sorry, C part, koalas at the beginning 2005. Koalas at the beginning 2005, again T equal for 5. So now it's equation for the koala. So it's N5. N5 equal for 2400 plus 250 into 5. Yes. When you multiply 200, 2050, 2400 plus 250 into 5, it's 1250. Yes. When adding them, it's 3650 koalas. How many koalas there? 3,650 koalas. They ask him what is the time that kangaroos fall below 100. They are asking what is the time kangaroo falls below 100. That kangaroos falls below 100. That means here 3,200 into 0.85 into t. It should be below 100. Yes. Now simplify. When now simplify it, you can what? Divide both sides by 3,200. 3,200. Two zeros cancel. These two cancel. So 0.85 is below 1 over 32. 1 over 32. What is the answer? 1 over 32. You can simplify. It's 0.85 t. It's below 0.03125. So you can find the answer for, if you want, you can use ln or something, logarithm or however. You can find the answer. Use the calculator or however you can find the answer. Is t is equal for something negative value, negative 3 point. Sorry, not negative, no. T equal for, use it. T equal for 21.33. So that means after 21 years, mostly. After 21 years, the population is become like this, below 100. Kangaroo population is decreasing. It's below 100 like that. Next one also, you can think for E part, it should be what? That koala population should be greater than for kangaroo population. You can take, it's normally T equal for 1.2, something like that. That's like 2001 year. The answer is become like this. Okay, can you try? Okay, please try these two questions. It's something different. Yes, I know. Maybe different. Check them and please show the recording again and try to solve the other questions. Okay. So thank you. We'll see you on next day. Okay. Thank you very much. Try this question again and again. Yes.